Hey, I've got to make a quick small wreath for a door, and I thought maybe I'd share with my subscribers on how I made it. Alright, all my flowers have been trimmed down the stems a little bit on the flowers, and I'm going to add my flowers to my wreath. As you're adding your flowers to your wreath, you want to make sure that you don't put your flowers on your other flowers. You want to glue them to the wreath or wire it to the wreath, however you are creating your wreath. This one is going to be glued. So you want to glue them on the wreath. Don't glue them on the flowers you already have attached to your wreath. You want your flowers to be where they can flow and hang. Okay. The back side of the wreath, I try to get it on the rim and as close to the back side of it. I don't want to put it on the very back because I want the wreath to be able to lay flat up against whatever surface you hang it on. And there we go. So what I think I'm doing now is I'm just going to add a little ribbon to it. I decided to go with the pink, and I'm going to make a layer, I'm going to wrap this ribbon around so that it is covering my wreath. Okay, I've wrapped my ribbon around my wreath. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decide on how I want it to hang. If I want it to hang like this and put me a bow here at the top and let it drape down. Okay, instead of me creating a bow with the ribbon, I'm going to make a bow with the ribbon. And the difference is when I create a bow, I'm creating a bow, the standalone bow by itself. When I'm making a bow, I'm making this bow on the item itself. So that's the difference. So how I'm gonna do this is like so, evenly, and I'm going to put glue down and make my ribbon, press it down so it can start to adhere to the ribbon on the wreath. Okay? Then I'm gonna fold this over, and what I'm doing is I'm making sure my loop is turned up. You see that? Making sure my loop is turned up. And here on this side, I'm gonna do it the same way. Make sure my loop end is turned up. You see that? How it's turned up and open that way? And I'm gonna glue these pieces down. The first piece is already sticking because of the glue on the main part of the ribbon, or the back part of the ribbon is down. All right, that's that. Now I'm going to take an extra piece of ribbon and put it across the middle. Okay, I'm going to take this and put it across the middle like so, and attach it to the back. Okay, my centerpiece is on my bow. There's my bow. And here's my wreath. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my ribbon, fold it in half, take the scissors from the top of the ribbon to the corner at an angle, cut it like so, so I have points on my ribbon. When you have stiff ribbon, you can do that, and it's really cute. Same with this piece. Make it long, you can bend it just like so, sort of ripple it in your hand. like that, and let it fall down your wreath.